Hello everybody, my name is Ishika Jairaj Kapoor and I'm an 8th grader from Vasant Valley School in Delhi. My experience was incredible. I met a lot of different people who weren't the same, weren't as like-minded as me, and they really wanted to branch out into different fields, and I really appreciated meeting so many people and learning from our mentor Dustin. I think I've picked up the skill of adapting. I've adapted to different scenarios with my roommates who I didn't think would be my friends, but eventually I've made some really strong bonds which I won't forget. The session that made me feel like a genius was probably when we had to talk about ethics and the trolley problem. I felt that I could really find a better solution. I would definitely recommend this conference. I would explain it to them as a very different experience, but in a good way, where you learn about so many different things which you need as a life skill.